COVID-19 has thrust New Zealand's SMEs into a world where they can no longer operate how they used to. Before the pandemic, 44% of businesses cited cost as the biggest barrier to adopting technology online. While almost one-third of retailers plan on reducing physical premises to put more effort into online sales, clearly there is a need for e-commerce. But at the same time, there is a challenge that needs to be overcome to adopt it. Introducing Shop Small, a virtual mall where small businesses can increase their exposure online while focusing on what they do best, creating a quality product. My name's Raghav, and my partner is Mark, and we're proposing an e-commerce platform that provides businesses with a pre-built website where they can simply upload images of their products along with the descriptions and prices. We handle the customer experience and we make it easy for them.
When businesses set up an e-commerce site with us, it becomes part of a broader online marketplace, visible alongside other businesses, but also accessible as its own online shop. These businesses are discoverable to each other's customers and can benefit from selling their products online together. Instead of relying on advertising on their own and making do with the exposure they can generate for themselves, they get the benefit of being virtually positioned next to other businesses online. This marketplace will initially take the form of a website and will later be available as an app. Individual shops will be an integrated part of it, meaning they'll have a URL that extends our own site's URL. This allows us to provide the service at less cost, and we won't have to buy extra domain names, and it can be hosted as a single platform. When an end customer registers with ShopSmall, we'll ask them to take part in a survey where they can select categories of products that interest them the most. After selecting categories, we'll use an AI recommendation system to direct them to businesses that will interest them. The AI will provide better recommendations as the customers continue to use our service. This will make our service more engaging and helpful for customers, but will also play an important role in getting visitors that will value its products.
Here is the proposed architecture for our system. Every web page that is included in our system will be hosted using AWS's S3 service. When the user registers for ShopSmall, their selected preferences are processed and a certain type is assigned to the user. The user information and their type will be stored in a DynamoDB database. When a business signs up for a service, their uploaded product images, descriptions, and prices will be uploaded to another database, just for business. We will bring data from the customer and the business database to Amazon's personalized service, which will use AI to provide recommendations. The recommendations will then be presented on the customer's homepage. Every time a user clicks on a product or a business, that information will be stored in a customer's database so we can know our customers better. The payments will be handled through our Stripe service. The costs involved in building and running ShopSmall are largely centered around cloud infrastructure. Our website and supporting services will all run in AWS. Along with hosting, we'll have costs for advertising our own business as well as clients' businesses. This cost of AWS scales with usage, so when we start out, our total running cost will be low. This allows us to forego charging businesses a sign-up fee when they join, and instead charge 1% commission on every product they sell. This is a small cost that scales with a business's revenue, meaning that they don't have any overhead to worry about when they join us, and have the confidence that they will incur costs if they're making money. This makes the entry into the online market as accessible as possible for small businesses who are currently facing cost barriers.
As more businesses join us, and as individual businesses grow, our traffic will increase, so the cost of running ShopSmall will also increase. In order for us to grow our operation and provide more value to businesses, we'll increase the commission we take from them each year until it reaches a cap of 5%. This extra revenue will allow us to introduce premium features, such as a chatbot where customers can inquire about businesses, and an advanced delivery setup where we handle integration with couriers. These features will be offered to individual businesses through a fixed cost premium membership. Having a subscription model on top of commission will help counter the increase in cost for hosting more complex services. These advanced features will be more attractive to already established businesses, so keeping them optional avoids discouraging sole traders and new businesses from joining us. The subscription model will only be introduced after we have achieved a relatively large business base, so it could be profitable for us to implement the new features. Our platform is targeted at sole traders and small businesses who don't have the time or resources to set up an e-commerce site and can't afford the upfront cost of monthly charge-based e-commerce solutions. To market our platform to these buyers, we'll need to advertise on a variety of media. Since our target individuals are business owners, we'll run ads in the business section of newspapers, as well as online through Google Ads and Facebook ads. We'll also reach out to businesses we know personally through friends and family, or friends of friends who we know are looking to gain a more substantial online presence. Once we have clients, we'll advertise them and their products as available on ShopSmall. On Facebook and Google, we'll be running targeted ads under our name on behalf of the businesses. In the ads, we'll be presenting users with products that best match them from any of the businesses working with us. In the ads, we'll be including our name and our client's name, so it results in exposure for both of us.
Through ShopSmall, not only are we providing a cheap and easy way of setting up an e-commerce site, we are also providing valuable exposure to small businesses. So remember the name, ShopSmall. Thank you for watching.